Hey guys, good day. Another great news for Pi network. So Pi is or will be listed on the Chainphon platform. So this is the official announcement from their official account. So Chainphon will list Pi on their decentralized application, and here is the trading pair, phone/pi 9 a.m. August 12th, and also they are giving 100 pi to lucky users to celebrate their expansion. So I've checked this platform, so it is similar to pi, so as you can see, make mobile mining easy, and the token is called phone. So let's try their platform. So I'm in their dApp, so as you can see here, here's the Pi network. So there's the swap button, and then here from phone, if you want to swap it to pi, then you can use this one. Let's just try. We can swap, so I guess we can, since I don't have any phone balance. But yeah, as you can see here, pi is now added to their platform.